Look at this old beauty. What do you think? Solid frame. Let's check the engine. See the rust? Can it be saved? Got to get this dust off before it scratches. Look at that shine coming through. Look at this block. It's completely shot. Yeah, and the frame's bent. It's a write-off. Agreed. All right, let's get these rusty wheels off. Come on, you stubborn thing. There we go. All right, last bolt is out. Lifting now, clear the area. All right, let's get this fender sealed up. Looking good. One more pass. All right, easy now. Keep it steady. Got it. Lowering it in. Perfect. Now secure the mounts. First, we'll remove the wheel. Now, the old caliper comes off. Slide the new one in and tighten. All right, let's get this classic wheel on. Perfect fit. Now for the lugs. All right, lifting the new leather seat into place. Now securing it with the wrench. Perfect fit. This is my fully restored '65 Impala. The paint is like new. The chrome trim is perfect, it runs like a dream.